Every day this week, I'm going to be sharing with you a little bit about Small Town Stylist. Today, we're going to start with Module 1, which is Clarify. Clarify is going to help you niche down so that way you can stand out in a competitive field like hairstyling. As much as we love to preach community over competition, which I fully stand behind, let me just say, you do need to set yourself apart, and the best way to do that is to niche down. So this is going to help you really dive deep into what you love to do and help you get a strategy for your business instead of just doing all the services and doing all the things and then hoping and praying to be successful, because it doesn't work like that anymore. Then we're going to go into target audience, which target audience is about finding your dream guest, really honing in on who that person is and getting clear about it. Because if you're not clear on who that dream client is, there's no way that you are going to be able to attract them. And then the whole point of niching down is to attract the people you actually want to work with. Lastly, inside of Module 1, you are going to learn how to create space to create content. Now, this is something that completely changed the game for me when I started prioritizing my content and making the time for it. It took me to the next level. So it's going to go over how to do that. Your life will change with this video alone. In this module, there are some worksheets, so you're able to print them out and work on them as you go. I highly recommend that, so that way you can visualize everything. It's one thing just to consume the content, but it's another to actually put it into practice. If you don't do the work, it will not work for you. If you're ready to take your business to the next level as a stylist, the link in my bio and go sign up for Small Town Stylist.